Presenting MedRec, Latitude's AI-powered data digitization and healthcare automation solution. One of the biggest challenges in the healthcare patient data management process is extracting information from multiple forms and documents. MedRec automates this elaborate process, saving up to 90% of the effort in extracting useful information. The capabilities of MedRec can be broken down to 5 steps: intake, classification, extraction, processing, and submission. MedRec supports omni-channel data sources. Let's look at the process flow with one use case of email data input. Using RPA, all the emails are clicked and opened. The bot views the attachment and scans the forms, reports, and slides. Key information is highlighted and pulled from the attachments using data extraction. The documents are clearly defined in the newly created case report as a result of intelligent automation. You can see the extracted fields and the list of highlighted medical terms. There's also a searchable box to look up the key medical terms. Next, the workflow progresses into the processing step, and verifications and corrections are made. And the case status is updated. After verification and review, the case is complete and submitted to the hospital management systems or data storage. All of these automations happen in the cloud or in on-prem apps. Submissions can also be made to your pre-existing APIs. MedRec enables data insights by leveraging business intelligence tools. MedRec provides many benefits. MedRec supports decision-making at both the patient and business level, improves patient care, ensures faster and more accurate diagnoses, fast-tracks preventative measures and more personalized treatment, unlocks insight from current and historical data, efficiently monitors and manages valuable data, lowers costs, and simplifies internal operations. MedRec is the latest content intelligence and automation solution to increase your organization's efficiency in processing patient documents. For a demo, contact Latitude today.